Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a sleeve curve just like this one. If it's something you're interested in, then let's get started. The last video I made was about how to make a sleeve placket. I'll link it in the description below. So after you're done making your placket, the next thing for you is to join your sleeve and fix your curve. After I'm done stitching the sleeve together, we're going to work on the curve. This is actually a collar stay. You can use any interface of your choice. The length of the collar stay is around 3 inches. For you to cut out your sleeve, all you have to do is to take out 3 inches from your normal curve, from your normal sleeve length, I mean. My wrist circumference is around 8 inches, so the breadth of the curve is 8 inches. Because I don't want my curve to be plain like this, I'm just going to trim it by that side just to give it a design. Once I'm done with the curve, I'm going to take my fabric and press my curve on the wrong side of my fabric. After that, I went ahead to trim out the excess. After trimming out the excess, I'm going to fold it by that edge and go to my sewing machine to stitch it up by 1 centimeter. Once I'm done sewing, I went ahead to trim out the excess fabric at that point also. Then I'm going to place my curve on another piece of fabric. Next thing I'm going to do is to stitch around my curve, but I won't be stitching the part where I folded in. After stitching, I'm going to trim out excess fabric by the side of my curve to avoid bulginess. Then I'm going to leave about 1/2 inch around that edge. I'm going to turn my curve inside out, then we are going to attach my curve to my sleeve. To attach the curve to the sleeve, I'm going to start from that bigger part of the placket. What I'm going to do is to put my curve inside my sleeve, as you can see. Then I'm going to mark 2 centimeters from that edge. So I'm going to sew from that edge to the 2 centimeter point. After stitching to the 2 centimeter point, I'm going to move to the other edge and just stitch from that edge round to the 2 centimeter point I stopped. At that 2 centimeter point, I'm going to just plait the excess fabric at that 2 centimeter point. After I'm done stitching that part, the next thing for me to do is to pull out the curve from inside of the sleeve, then stitch the curve on the sleeve. Once I'm done stitching this, we are definitely done with our curve. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.